Hello? Hello. Yeah, this is another part. And I'm just saying this, that people are suffering in this country. People are really hungry. People, want help. There are people who haven't got a home. There are people, they haven't got nothing and they need help. And you leaders, you have to try hard. You have to try hard that you may be able to do that, to help the people. Because if you don't, where are they going to find help from? These people vote for the leaders to do something better for them. They vote for the leaders to be able to do something right. I'm speaking to the African also. African leaders, you need to fix up, you need to check your ways, because the way you treat the people, it is very, very bad. If the leaders don't stand firm for the people or stand firm for the country, the people will fight against the leaders in Africa. The people will fight against the leaders in Africa. There are people in Africa who are suffering. There are people in Africa who are hungry. There are people in Africa that haven't got home. There are people in Africa, even some part, there is too much war. Who created this war? Who caused war to make innocent people to suffer? Who caused the war to make innocent people to go hungry? Who caused the war? God is watching you. Remember that. All I'm just saying, I'm going to use these people as example, but now they are most wanted people in the world. I'm going to use them for example. Now they are the most wanted people of the world. These Arab people, I know they hate each other, but somehow they stand firm for their country. You got all those people killing people there. Why they killing? They killing to fight for what reason? They think they killing to fight for better reason because they want to throw away the leader, or they want to take over the country. But Africa need to do better. Africa need to able to rise. Africa need to set a good example. Africa need unity, because black people has been spread in the face of the earth, and because they have been spread in the face of the whole earth, there have to be unity in Africa. Listen, no one cannot think that they are, because they are certain things, they are somebody. In this world, God creates certain people to be something more in the mind than some others. If anybody says I'm lying, you can find out it yourself. Okay? So, all I'm just saying, there are things need to be done. Britain, Cameron, Mr. Cameron, just help. Help those who are suffering. Help those who are hungry. Help those who need the help. Okay? Because the world never be made in a way that God, He made that, the world was made that when the leader has been raised, the leader is supposed to take care of his people and take care of them very well. So, I'll cut you up.